Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss with you introduction about the operation management. So what is operation management? That is very important topic we have to discuss. Now you can see on the screen, operation management is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within the organization. So this is the definition. So operation management is the administration of business practices. That's we have to understand. Administration of the business practices to create what highest level of efficiency possible within the organization. So simply we can say operation management is some type of business administration function. It create highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. So now you can see the focuses. Actually, focuses on the operation management is converting material and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible. So converting material and labor into good or service, that is the focus. It involves planning, organizing, and supervising production, manufacturing, or the provision of services. So this is the operation management. There are so many objectives of the operation management. Now you can show on the screen there are few objectives. Improve productivity and efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, reduce operational cost, ensure consistent quality of product and services, optimize use of available resources. So these are the importance of operation management. Critical for competitiveness in the market. So nowadays it is very critical to retain in the market because of that highest competitiveness. So if organization can follow correct operational management theories and practices, they can stay in the market even though it is very competitive. Plays a vital role in satisfying customer demand, support innovation and continuous improvement, directly impact profitability and business growth. So there can be several components under the operation management. Okay, here I have included 12 components. Okay, so in in below slides, we will discuss few of them. So key functions of operation management. So first I selected product design. So what is mean by product design? Creating functional and attractive product. You can see in here, product design is the process of creating a new product that meets customer needs and is easy to produce. It includes deciding how the product will look, how it will work, and what material will be used. Key points: purpose, make product that is useful, attractive, and affordable. So this is the steps. First, someone has to generate the idea. That idea should be converted into the sketch. Then based on the sketch, we can create prototype. Then by considering the function of prototype, we can go for the final design. So what are the goal of product design? We have to think about functionality, quality, cost effectiveness, and customer satisfaction. This is one of the example. If we are going to design a water bottle, Then we have to think about the shape, size, then the lid design, cap design, the material, it may be plastic or metal or any other material. So how easy to is it carry? So all these things we have to think. So product design is the first key function of operation management. Then process design. So after we design the product, now we have to think about the process. Defining how a product service is created. Process designing is the planning of how product or service will be made or delivered. It focuses on the step, equipment, and method. So, what are the process steps? What are the equipment? What are the methods we can use? So, key points also highlighted in here. The purpose of product design to make the production process is smooth, fast, and cost effective. So, it's include choosing the right tools, machines, workflow, and the layout. So, what are the goals of process designing? Ensure quality, reduce waste, and meet customer demand. Then, example. If you think some bakery related product, so process design include how ingredients are mixed, how long to it will take for the baking activity, and the order of each step to make sure bread is made quickly and consistency. Third function we can consider as a quality management. So it's ensure the standard are met. Quality management is the process of making sure that product or service meets certain standard and satisfy customer. It ensures everything is done correctly from raw materials to the final product. So key points highlighted in here also. Purpose to deliver reliable and consistent product. Okay, then services, okay, product or services. So includes planning, checking, and improving processes. So what are the goal of quality management? Customer satisfaction, fewer mistakes, and better efficiency. I just put the example also in here. In garment factory, checking the stitching, fabric, and finishing of each piece ensure high quality clothes are delivered to the customer. So this is quality management. Then we have to think about capacity planning. That is also one of the key function of operation management. Capacity planning means managing output levels and resources. Capacity planning is the process of deciding how much work a company can handle at a time. It helps make sure there are enough people, machines, and material to meet customer demand. So what are the key points? What is the purpose of capacity planning? To balance demand with available resources. So what are the includes? Planning for labor, then machineries and production time. So capacity planning related goals avoid overloading or under undershowing resources. Then this is the example. Cert factory plan how many certs it can produce in a week based on available machines and workers. So it can meet customer order on time. The fifth one, inventory management. That is also very important because inventory management give us control in stocks and materials. Inventory management is the process of keeping track of the material and products a company has. It helps make sure the right amount of stock is available at the right time. When we go into the key points, what is the purpose of inventory management? To avoid having too much or too little stocks. Inventory management includes ordering, sorting, and using raw materials and finished good. So inventory management goals are reduce cost and meet customer demand without delay. Already included some example. A clothing store track how many jeans are in stock. When the number of gets low, they order before running out. So that is the inventory management. Sixth one, supply chain management. So supply chain management mean coordinating suppliers and logistics. Supply chain management is the process of managing the flow of goods, services, and information from raw material to the final customer. It connects suppliers, manufacturers, warehouse, and retailers. So it's connect every what is called that uh, stakeholders, suppliers, manufacturers, retailers, warehouses, everything. So when we move to the key points, so what is the supply chain related purpose? Purpose of supply chain management to deliver the right product to the right place at the right time. So it includes purchasing, transportation, production, storage, and delivery. What are the goals? Improve efficiency, reduce cost, and satisfied customer. We'll go for one example. For t-shirt, supply chain management involves getting cotton from farmers, sending it to the factories, shipping finished shirt to the stores, and the final customers also. So that is the supply chain. Seventh key function of operation management is maintenance, keeping equipment and process running efficiently. So it's explained maintenance means taking care of machines and equipment so they work properly and don't break down unexpectedly. It helps keep the production process running smoothly. When we move to the key points, what is the purpose of maintenance? To prevent breakdowns and extend equipment life. Then there are several types of maintenance, mainly preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance. So preventive maintenance means regular checkups before problem happen. Regular checkups before problem happens. Corrective maintenance means fixing machines after they break. Fixing machines after they break. So that is called breakdown maintenance also. So what is the goal of maintenance? Reduce downtime and repair cost. The one example already put in here, simple example in garment factory, regularly oiling sewing machines and checking their parts to avoid sudden stoppages during the production. So operations also we can divide in several categories. In here you can see manufacturing operations. So what is mean by manufacturing operations? If organization produce tangible product that we can tell manufacturing. As example, cars, clothing, like that. Then the service operations. Or deliver intangible service, as example, banking and healthcare. Then there can be hybrid operations also. That means combine both. Restaurant. In the restaurant, there are some tangible things that mean what is called that products as well as it's give us the service. Intangible. Hospitals also we can consider as a hybrid operation. Then what is the difference between operation versus production management? Actually, production is one of the element of the operation management. Operation management covers both manufacturing and services, production management focus mainly on the manufacturing processes. So OM, operation management, has a broader scope including logistic, quality control, and service delivery, etc. So this is the comparison when consider the focus. Production management focuses on managing and optimizing the production process and operations. But when coming to the operation management, okay, it's mentioned in here industrial engineering. So that is also operation management related activity. Focuses on improving productivity, efficiency, quality in industrial systems. Then when consider the scope, production management covers planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling production processes. The operation management encompasses analysis, designing, and improvement of complex systems and processes. Based on the aspect of role, the production management oversees day-to-day operations, resource allocation, and workforce management. However, operation management analyzes and readiness systems to enhance productivity, safety, and the quality. So key objectives, the production management related key objective is efficient utilization of resources, meeting production target cost control, but in the operation management related key objectives, optimizing processes, minimizing waste, improving productivity and quality. So production management related key activities, production planning, scheduling, inventory management, and quality assurance. Operation management related key activities, process analyzing, optimization, work design, ergonomics, supply chain management. So this is actually historical evolution of operation management. Operation management is start from the craft production. It's maybe that means customer made, low efficiency. So craft production means single person involved into the all operations from order placement to the order delivery. Then the industrial revolution came, then mechanized production came into the account. That means so many machineries introduced. So based on that, increased the output. After that, scientific management also came into the account. It's introduced by Frederick Taylor uh, to enhance the productivity. So based on the scientific management, so many analyses came into the production related jobs. Then the lean manufacturing needs minimize waste without sacrificing productivity. Then actually the total quality management came. It's focused on quality across all processes. So everyone in the organization want to take the responsibility of quality. Nowadays, we are talking about the digital operations. So we are talking about how using technology to streamline the processes. So when we talk about the strategic role of operation management, so first one, align operation with overall business goal. So operation related goals and business goals, it can't be differ. So whatever the operation goals, we have to align with the business goal. That is one of the strategic role of the operation management. Focus on competitive priorities, then whoever the people engaged in the operation management, they want to think about cost leadership, quality enhancement, flexibility in operations, then speed in delivery. Process of operation management, so it's input resource like labor, material, and equipment. Transformation process also there. That means it convert input into the output by using various method. So output may be finished good or the delivered service. So if we can make a feedback loop means information used for continuous improvement. So feedback should want to raise from the output, that means from the customer into the operation. Then based on the customer feedback, if not before going to the customer end of the factory process, maybe the feedback coming from the quality department, organization can improve the process. So operation management, okay, there are some requirements, then the input, output, resources, strategy, planning, overseeing, cost control activities, all these things connect with the operation management. This is actually challenges in operation management, globalization and supply chain complexity. So one of the challenge. Now almost all things connected. There are some very complexities because of that globalization. Rapid technology advancement. So day by day technology enhancement happens. So based on that, operation management also challenging. Demand for sustainability and green operations. Everyone know nowadays our customers expect in product what is called produce through the uh, green manufacturing operations. So organization want to adapt with the green related activities also. So increase in customer expectation and customization needs. So those are the challenges in operation management. And also role of the technology in operation management, enterprise resource planning, ERP. It is one of the major technological enhancement, connectivity in the operation management. Then automation and robotic improvement productivity, artificial intelligence nowadays most famous, then Internet of Things. So all these are technology in the oil. When discuss about the sustainability and operation management, it has to focus on eco-friendly practices, minimizing waste and energy use, promoting social responsibilities, sustainable sourcing and production processes. So this is one of the case study in Toyota, focus lean manufacturing and just-in-time production. So what they achieve by focusing this, they reduce the waste, increase efficiency and global competitiveness. So lesson we have to learn importance of continuous improvement and quality culture. So what is the conclusion? Operation management is crucial for organizational success. It helps align strategic objectives with operational capabilities, key to delivering value and maintaining competitiveness in today's dynamic market. So this is the conclusion. So I think now you may have rough idea about the operational management. Actually, this is introduction. There are so many things we have to discuss under the operation management. So I'm expecting to meet you with different videos related to the operation management. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.